Hi, I'm Adrienne at Jimmy Beans, and today we're going to learn the two-color Italian cast-on. This is a tubular cast-on, and it's great if you want to do a two-color rib or you want to do brioche. It gives a nice, tidy beginning to your work. Today I'm working with Cascade 220 Superwash Merino in two nicely contrasting colors. And I'm using wooden Smart Sticks. They are interchangeable. They have markings every inch on the cables as well as on the needles. So they're not only your needles, they're also a ruler. All right. So I'm going to take my two colors, and I don't need a long tail. All I'm going to do is weave in the ends of that tail later. So I'm going to tie a slip knot with both yarns together. And I have green on the right. So I'm going to put in my needle and snug up that slip knot just a little bit. All right, then I'm going to make my hands, as I would tell my kids, into a little birdie. And I'm going to put that birdie between the two strands, so that the green is over my thumb and the white is over my pointer finger. Because I have the green stitch in back, so I want the green yarn over my thumb. All right, so I'm going to take this needle, I'm going to take it behind and under both strands of yarn. Then I'm going to catch the green, pull it under the white, and I have a green stitch. Now I need a white stitch. I'm going to go under the front, so under green, over white, and pull up. This is the same as a regular tubular cast-on if that's something you know about. If not, that's fine. All right, so for my green stitch, I go under everything, scoop up the green, under white, and around. Now it's time for white. I go around the front, under green, over white, and pull up a white stitch. This seems very unwieldy right now. At some point, you will get to where you can just whip on through. It becomes a fluid motion. Let's go through again. So I want a green stitch. I go under everything, over green, and pull it up. Now I want white, so I go under green, over white, and pull up white. Now for green, under everything, and pull up green. For white, I go to the front, under green, and pull up white. Under everything, pull up green, under green to pull up white. And I would continue until I have as many stitches as I want. In this case, I want an even number of stitches, and I have that because I've ended on white. I'm going to give those stitches an extra couple of twists just to hold them where they go. And now I would read the directions on my pattern to know, am I joining in the round? Am I turning to knit? But as soon as if I were to turn and knit that stitch, it would lock in my white yarn. Just keep in mind the tubular cast-on is something that you need to hold on to until you have those stitches locked down. All right, thank you very much. We just did the Italian two-color cast-on. and happy knitting.
Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!